What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. I got these from eBay for a really good price. And yeah, let's get right into it. I did buy a little open box, so it's not really been used, but yeah, the box might still be a little bit have some wear on it, they said, but hopefully nothing too bad. Well, actually I don't get a box. We have the buds themselves in their case. Samsung, they have the water resistant case as well, which is kind of nice. The charger and a carabiner to hook onto like a backpack or something. So yeah, that's that. Nothing else in the box, right? Let's get these out. We have the carabiner and the cable. These are from Samsung, which is nice, so that's the only downside. Other than that, and the cable is Usbc, which is nice, so I can charge my phone and all that jazz on one cable. And then we have the plastic shell, which I actually don't know how to open, but yeah, feels pretty okay. I don't know. Yeah, I'll figure that out later. Yeah. And then the case feels pretty good. Has the Samsung sound by AKG. Yeah, nothing on bottom really, just a little bit of text. And the hinge with USB-C on the back. And there they are. So the buds are in pairing mode, so that's why that light is coming on. Pretty small case. I haven't actually had truly wireless earbuds before. I've had wireless, but it's with the cable connecting the two buds. Yeah, they were the Jaybirds, but I figured it's time to upgrade. You know, it's been some time, and yeah, after a couple years, I figured I'd upgrade. And yeah, I saw these on sale. They retailed for $200 a couple months ago, and now I got them for $90 after tax and shipping. But yeah, so far I kind of like them. I haven't tried them yet, of course, as you just saw, but I'm really excited to figure out how to get this open. I guess it opens up like that. So this is like the water resistant case. So it has like the front clasp, and I guess you can hook the carabiner to the back like that if you choose to do so, which is nice because the actual case doesn't have something for the carabiner. So if you want to hold it up on like a backpack or something, then the case is definitely a move. Plus it was included with the earbuds. I didn't have to pay anything extra, and that's how they look inside the water resistant case. You can't charge them, which might be a bad thing, but honestly just popping it out isn't too bad. Or yeah, just like that. It is pretty stuck in there, which is kind of nice. And that's how they open up. Yeah, not too bad. Let me actually pause the video and connect them to my phone to see how they sound. Alright, let's get this stuff out of the way. That way we focus just on the buds. Nice. So I downloaded the app. It's up here, the Galaxy Wear.